Imagine how you would feel if someone gifted you cryptocurrency
Yeah.
that was capable of providing you with a passive income,
Yes.
allowing you to be financially free through a unique staking mechanism that functions as a high-interest rate cash deposit and unlocks when you decide. A financial product that is light years beyond the limitations of traditional financial institutions, powered by blockchain technology. This is where your financial freedom begins. Welcome to the world's most flexible cryptocurrency. To learn how staking works, just visit our website at rex.io. Rex is crypto for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.